Meet the TAGRY True Wireless Earbuds, your everyday audio upgrade. Check power at a glance. Dual LED display, 60 hours total playtime. Run out? Not a chance. Rain? Sweat? No worries. Waterproof keeps the beat going. Gym to jog. Wireless charging? Check. Pop open the case. Auto-paired and ready in seconds. Need full control? Tap to play. Pause, call or adjust volume. No phone needed. Fits everyone. Feather light, secure, and so small you'll forget they're there. Feel every beat with deep bass and crisp treble, plus clear calls thanks to dual mics and noise reduction. Upgrade to TAGRY. Problem solved. Music on, everywhere you go.